Now you know how easy it is to create a floating animation for your product in Canva. Open Canva and choose your project size. I will choose social media, Instagram posts, upload your packaging design. I will use this one. Go to element, scroll down and find mockups. For example, this is a beverage product. I will type here can, enter. Choose one of this can. I will choose this one. And then insert this photo to here. Drag it. Okay, and now click here. Click edit and then drag it. And then click apply changes. Now back to element and type here water. Go to videos, see all, and find your favorite water videos. Quick before we dive in, my digital store Create Victo on Gumroad has premium and free templates. Link in the description, don't miss it. I will choose this one. Set it as background. I will move it down a little. Go to animate. Scroll down and choose wiggle. You can also change the intensity here. And then back to element. And type here water bubbles. Click here. And choose graphics, see all. And click here once again and click animation. Check on animated. And then I will use this one. Reduce the size. I'll place it here. And reduce the transparency. And then I will duplicate it. I'll place here and reduce the size. Duplicate again and place it here. Click here, download as MP4 and click download. And this is the result. So this is the tutorial. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.